Guys, this is Prime here, doing a review in the dark, because these work better in the dark, on my Doctor Who 10th Doctor's Day of the Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. And this is my 4th Sonic Screwdriver review. You can go back and watch my review on this Sonic Screwdriver and this Sonic Screwdriver. Eventually, I will get to reviewing this one. I just gotta get more batteries, because nothing. So, yeah, today we are reviewing the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver from the Day of the Doctor. And like Votesaxon07 says in the video, this is an inaccurate toy of an inaccurate prop. Because the screwdriver is at least this small. Not this big. This small, at least. But there are some things that improve on this over the original. Like, for instance, on the original and all the other versions of the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver, you have the black wire in the middle, the emitter section. Well, this one has a gold wire, which is accurate. Anyway, let's get to detail. Whoa. Yes, the whole handle is yellow. If you guys hear wind in the background, we're kind of having a stormy day here in Davenport. Very stormy day. And I might be recording this at 11, somewhere around 9 to 10 at night. Anyway, this section was removable. Glued it shut. There was a screw cap, but it got lost, so for a little comparison, here's my 11th screwdriver. I'm going to try and hold shut. Head smaller. In extended mode, still a head smaller. Here it is next to the the original 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Here it is next to the 11th Doctor's Pizza Cutter. And here it is next to the 4th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. The 4th Sonic is bigger. Probably. Yeah, they're about the same height. Anyway, you can see every 11th Doctor screwdriver, except for the remote, has a button down here and a button down here. Now you can see I'm pressing the top button, nothing happens. Because let's press this button. Either here or here. Which is inaccurate to the prop, because the button is on the slider, and it could activate no matter where it has been slidden. Hold on. Okay, so here we go over the 4 sounds it makes. And I like the LED in here. That's 1. That's 2. If you can't tell, that's... And just like the 11th, it has second sounds. But I wish it would have been hidden. And I'm going to do it in this position. You got Witcher sounds. I wish they would have gotten rid of those completely, because those are meant for the classic era Sonic screwdrivers. Like, for instance, no. Like that. But basically, that's what this one does. This one did the exact same thing, but lost the screw cap on that one, and I have no batteries, so this is basically my version of the Sonic after it got busted in the day that we're in the 11th hour. Well, just because I'm here, let's do this. Yeah, anyway, this is a good Sonic screwdriver. Tomorrow I will doing a tour of my shelves again, because I did this on my second channel already. I don't think I'm going to be posting the second one for a little while, because uploading is a pain in the butt over there. For that one video I uploaded, it took over 2 hours to record. I'm not kidding. 2 hours here. 2 hours. So yeah, tomorrow I will be recording the tour of my zone where I display everything. Give me 1 minute and I will. I'm doing a countdown till BotCon. There is officially 69 days left until BotCon. Technically, in a couple of minutes, it's going to be 68 days. Because of things, yeah. And then Monday I will be reviewing Beast Hunter Shockwave. Definitely Monday I will be recording Shockwave. Screwdriver. But yeah. Hope you guys like to review the Sonic. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want. Please stay tuned for my oh yeah, I forgot. No. No button. Anyway, so please comment, share, subscribe, like. Anyway, SR Prime. Bye bye.